guys, welcome to tutorial number 1 on Porsche 911 Carrera 4, and in this tutorial I'll be designing this car from the ground up. And I have launched the video 2 weeks ago, and I haven't started the tutorial series yet, so sorry for that. And let's get started. The first thing we have to do is we have to go to the Google and download the blueprints. So type in Porsche 911 Carrera blueprints and you will get this blueprint, and download this one. This one has very good pixels, so this is very good for designing on Solidworks. So when you download that one, and then you go to, and then just edit these views into 4 different views. I use this Irfan view editor to cut this specific blueprint into 4 different views. This is top, right, and rear and front. So if you come across any kind of trouble doing that, just write in the comment box and I will help you out with that. So let's get started. Okay, click on new, double click on part, and then we're good to go. So first is the right view. Make a sketch on right view, and then draw a central line. Make sure it's horizontal, and one vertical central line. Escape. So the length of the car is 4,432 in millimeters. Make one thing sure that the default I'm using the measurement type is millimeter gram second. So keep that in mind. So let's have it dimension with 4,432. Okay, and the height of this car is 1306. Press escape, get out of the, zoom out, and then click on the sketch picture. If you don't have this sketch picture right here, go to tools and then go to sketch tools, and then you will see the sketch picture here. Okay, click on sketch picture and then locate that. Where is that sketch picture? Porsche, here it is. So this is the right one. Select it and click on open. Okay, unlock this aspect ratio first, and then the length of this car is 4,432. Okay, that was the height. This one is the height, as you can see. Okay, I did it wrong. Okay, this is the height, guys. The height is 1306. Okay, and the length is 4,432. That's good. Click OK. Get out of the sketch and let's load the front view of the car. Make a sketch in front plane, click on normal tool, and first draw a central line. Make sure it's horizontal. The width of the car is 1765. Okay, select this and make it midpoint relation. Select it, hold Control and select the origin, make it a midpoint, and then click on sketch picture, bring the front one here. Okay, unlock the aspect ratio and the height of the car is 1306. And the length is the width is 1765. Okay, as you can see, it's not in the middle of the blueprint. As you can see, it is little to the right. So what do? We just move it in the X direction. As you can see, first click on normal tool. As you can see, the axis is the X axis, and we have to get this thing towards to the middle. So as you just reduce that, you can see it's going on the left side. So what do? We just the width of the car is 1765. So we type 1765 divided by 2, and it goes to the extreme right. And then when we bring a minus sign, and it brings in the middle. That's great. Okay, that's good. And we click OK. The front view and the right view are placed properly. Let's go to the top view. Top view we haven't done. Okay, top view, sketch, click on normal tool, go to just go to sketch picture. This is the top view, open. Okay, the length of the car is 4432, and the I forgot to unlock the aspect ratio. And the width of the car is 1760. So we'll do the same with this one as well, but to bring it in the middle position, we just 1760 will be divided by 2, and it goes to right, and we'll bring the minus sign, bring it back in the position. That's good. Alright, and the last is the rear view. So we don't have the plane, so we have to go and bring a plane at this point. Plane, that is front plane, and this point. Okay, we got the plane, so we make a sketch, select sketch, click on normal tool, and that's good. Okay, click on sketch picture, just the rear view, unlock the aspect ratio, and the width is 1765. 1765. Height is 1306. 1306. So we have to move it in the x-axis to the right, and we will 1765 divided by 2, minus sign will bring it back to the original position. So we get out of the sketch and see the positions of the blueprints. They're well placed. So let's change the name of all these blueprints. So this one is the right view, the right blueprint. So we double click it, not too fast. This is the right view. Just type in right view, and this one is the front view. Yeah, it's front view. And there's the front view. This one is the top view. And this one is this one is the rear view. Rear view. Okay, we have done the naming of all the blueprints, and now we should get started. So first we will start from the hood here, and then we will go to the back and all that, to the right and all. So let's get started. Let's go to the right view and make a right sketch on the right plane. Sketch, and here is the spline from here to there. Escape. Okay. And we'll use central line for the reference and all, because it really helps while when we are using that what we call it, the projection thing. Yeah, projection thing. While we do projection thing, it really helps. The central line really works. So from here, and then both sides. Make sure it is vertical. So make it a little more. Right. Okay, we just after drawing this, we will look at the top view of this, whether our sketch is right or not. This seems fine, but this here is the problem. We will drag it down a little bit, and then we again go to the right view and take a look at the sketch, whether it matches with the blueprint or not. Alright. Okay, this is it, and here, let me see it again. Top view. Okay, you're not good here as well. Okay, now we're good. And then we will go to the right view, and this we will check everything. And the front view, the seems okay. This is not okay. Drag it down. What is the problem with this thing? Top view, it's good, and it's good as well. A little bit. Now, the reason why I'm so much looking at the precision, because to make a fine car you have to look at the every sketch you made to be made properly. So here's the problem. A little more time we spend, more beautiful the car will be. So this is good. Get out of the sketch, and we will go to features. Feature sketch, 3D sketch, and we'll draw a spline, escape, and then we will provide a relation to our spline. Select this point, hold control and select this and make it merge. Go to front view, press the space bar for that, and then do that. And go to top view again, and this use this handle to match it with the blueprint. Make it along x-axis, as you can see, in this direction. This sounds okay. It seems okay. But here it's causing a little problem. It's parallel. Okay, it's good. Let's get out of the sketch, and then we'll go make one more 3D sketch. It's using spline, and here we'll draw it again. And using spline, we are going to merge this end of the spline with the sketch number 1 there, and then we'll go to the front view and we'll bring it. We'll go make it along the x-axis. Alright. Press the space bar and go to the top view. Here we have to fix a couple of things. It should be there. It should be here. Drag it a little bit and make it backward. Okay, this is good. We have to take a look to the sketch from every view so that we can see that our sketch is in proper direction and proper height, which is good. Front view. It's also good. Get out of the sketch, and now we will go to 3D sketch again, and from this spline to this spline we'll connect it, and we will go to the top view, and where's the handle? Here it is. So this line, as you can see, this line we have to match it with our spline. It's okay. And here it is. That's right. get out of the sketch, and we have our first after this 3D sketch we have to just take a look. What we'll do is we will little dim our front view picture. Let's fade it a little bit. Full image. Just make it a little transparent so you can see all that. We do the same with the rear view. Full image. Then we go 40%. For now we don't need a rear view, so let's hide it. We just need the front view and all that. Just try to make it align with the blueprint. Alright. Get out of the sketch. We're left with the 4 sketch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use loft command. Loft. Alright, guide curves. This one and this one. Click OK. Alright. Let's go to the front view, and now we are going to draw this section here. Let me show you. Okay, first we will draw this and then that. Alright. We'll go to the 3D sketch and we'll use spline. From this corner to this one. Press escape and then try to match it with the blueprint. Alright. That seems right. Okay, this is correct. Get out of the sketch and let's take a right view for a second. Okay, no. We have to make some changes here. Okay. Edit and for a little bit. Let's go to top view again. I don't know why these dogs are barking. Let's match it. Let's see the front view. Sounds good. Right view. That's good as well. I get out of the sketch and now go for the top view and we'll draw the surface. 3D sketch, spline, and then this one, press escape. Again, try to match it with the blueprint. Let's apply a tangent relation with this one. Select this edge, hold control and select this spline. Make it tangent. Alright. Let's take a right view. Seems good. Put it a little bit lower. And let's take a front view. Let's do a little bit. That's all right. Okay, all right. Now we will use the 3D sketch again, and we'll go for the top view, and we'll match this spline with this spline using another spline. Press escape. There's a problem. Okay, now we're good. Alright, get out of this sketch, and we're going to use the loft command again. This surface with this surface. And the right cut is going to be this one and this one. So that's great. No, that's not great. Edit this one. Make little changes. Let's turn on the wireframe so that you can see the blueprint properly. That is great. Just get out of the sketch and turn off the wireframe. Okay, now this is matching the blueprint. There's slight problem. Okay, get out of the sketch. Now we have a good surface. Alright, so guys, this is for today, and we will do more in the next tutorial. We have to complete this car, so see you in the next tutorial.